What's up YouTube, it's your dog Bucky Oakland and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a new type of video. We're doing a vlog, a moving out vlog. So as you can probably see, I'm moving out of my place. I've done so many videos in this place. Got a lot of memories in this place. I've been here for the last couple few years, but a lot of my YouTube videos that you see with the mixing and everything was done in here. So it's something that I'm proud of. I just want to show y'all and be transparent with y'all throughout the entire process. I want to take everybody that been following me throughout this whole entire journey. I just want to go ahead and, you know, show y'all my journey. You feel me? I'm moving to a new spot. I'm excited. I'm gonna have a whole new setup, and I want to just bring a whole lot of new type of different content this year. So I definitely want to just show y'all the entire process and bring y'all along with me, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, you feel me? But if you want to see me do more videos, more vlogs and stuff like that on my regular life or whatever I'm doing, let me know in the comments as well too. But I just want to take you on this process with me because I feel like it's dope, it's inspiring. I hope it's inspiring, you feel me? So, show y'all my spot. Well, this is my old spot. Feel me? This is my old spot. And then, you know, we're going to show y'all the new spot. And then if anybody wants to help me, if y'all want to help me put my new spot together or how I should set things up, just go ahead and put it in the comments, you feel me? I'm definitely going to be taking people's advice. I want to make this new place very homely, very cozy. That's what I'm going after, feel me? I want it to be a creative space where I could just be able to create non-stop and somewhere where it will allow me to be super consistent, you feel me? Because I really want to focus on being consistent this year so I can show up for y'all and provide as much value as I can. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Let's go to the new spot. You dig?
Buggy hit him with the drum.
It's 4 a.m. and we done moving all my stuff in. I'm tired as hell. Shout out to my dog Mills because he definitely helped me out throughout the entire process. Appreciate you, bro. But anyway, this is how he's looking right now. It's not looking like we about to do any moving today because I am tired. My bed ain't even made. I'm about to sleep right on. This is my bed for the night. You feel me? So yeah. But tomorrow in the morning, we're gonna start putting stuff together. We're gonna start fixing up the spot, making everything come together for real. But as for today, 4:30, I'm going to sleep. Alright, so right now, we're putting together the stuff in our room. I've got a little bit of my furniture that I'm just moving from my old place in here, so I'm just gonna be putting and setting up things together. The TV stand, I do want to get a new TV stand. It hasn't came in yet, but I do have one of these right now. So we just gonna set this up right here, put it right here, and then attach our TV to it. You feel me? I still don't have my rug, I still don't have my couch and everything else, you know, to put the living room together. But once that comes in, we're gonna put that together and it's gonna look amazing. But for right now, we're gonna put this TV in here. We're gonna set that up and then we're gonna finish cleaning up the rest of this room and set up my little studio spot. So let's get it. Alright, so I'm doing this by myself, right? I'm brolic, but now I gotta figure out how to get this lifted up at the same time and screw it in, for me. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be two people so you don't drop the TV when you're trying to screw it in, but I'm here by myself, so I gotta figure out how to get this up there without breaking my TV. But I got this, you feel me? So right now, I'm working a little studio area that I'm gonna have. I don't really know exactly how I want to do this right now. This is the desk that I have right now, but I think I'm gonna want like a standing desk. You know, sometimes when you're working, you want to just get up, vibe a little bit, and then come back down. So a standing desk is what's probably gonna be best. Probably what I'm gonna get later on. For right now, I do think For right now, this is what we have. This is for my old place. This is the desk that I have. That's what I was using for my old setup. So this is what I'm gonna use right now until we get get the standing desk. And once I get the standing desk, I'm gonna change it. So we're gonna work on building this little setup, getting my whole studio, my whole recording setup here, and then we'll see how that looks. Right now, I only have one monitor as well too. So I'm thinking of getting a double monitor, because when I'm editing, it kind of makes it, I mean, it's not that difficult, but it's a little bit more simple once I have two monitors, you know, when I'm editing videos to do that. Or even if I'm streaming, this year I want to be way more consistent in streaming. So I think a double monitor will help out just whenever I'm doing videos. So that's something I'm gonna get, but for right now, we're gonna leave it like this. So we done got some of the studio set up. Obviously, all my equipment and everything isn't there yet. I'm about to set that up now. I like the area that it is. I have so many ideas of what I'm gonna do to sectionalize this, make this its own area. And then, like I said, once I get the couch and rug and everything, there's gonna be its own area to the living room. So it's gonna come out super dope. But I'm about to just move the stuff that I have right now and just start placing them together. This is really my setup. This is where I usually do all my YouTube videos. Well, not in this place, but this table, these speakers, everything I'm gonna be setting up, that's where I usually do my YouTube videos. So I'm about to set that up now. All right, so they just got here with my couch. We about to get my couch set up. You feel me? I'm excited. I feel like that's gonna really bring the room together and make everything start looking like how it's supposed to look for real. So we just gonna put the couch together. Well, I'm gonna have them do it. I got movers, wherever I bought it from Wayfair for me, so they got movers coming in, they gonna put it all together and everything gonna look good for me. So let's do it. So I just got my gaming chair. So we definitely about to do some type of unboxing and put this chair together. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm gonna show y'all the type process. I'm gonna speed it up for y'all maybe, because I know it's probably gonna take way longer than I think. But it's my first gaming chair. I feel like I need that. You don't need your back hurting. I'll be sitting in the chair working for too long. I don't need my back hurting OD. But let's unbox this and let's see what's going on, man. I'm just taking the pieces out right now. This shit low-key look like. It comes with a lot of pieces. This is gonna be the leg rest. You feel me? It's gonna be the bottom half. To all my dudes out there, you gotta be able to build anything, bro. If you young, if you older watching this, you already know, like, you gotta build stuff, you feel me? Or if you wanna pay people to build your stuff, cool, you can do that. But it's also a good skill for me to know how to do. You gotta be able to build anything, you feel me? Some people you can do without the manual, but if you can't read the manual, get it done. That's all that matters, you feel me? Your girl might ask you, yo, build this. Your fan might ask you, yo, build this. You gotta just, be able to get it done, you feel me? You move on your own. If you're a youngin' and you move on your own, you feel me? You gonna have to build stuff. This is like cheese, you feel me? But this ain't nothing that's too difficult, bro. You might have to build beds, you might have to mount TVs. It's good skills to be able to know how to do all of that. Otherwise, you're gonna be dishing out bread every time you gotta do something, feel me? Also, whenever you build this up, don't tighten everything right away. You feel me? Like, you wait, you tighten it a little bit, but don't fully tighten, because you might mess up and you might have to unloosen it. Just tighten it when you're at your end process, because if you tighten it too hard at the beginning, you feel me? You might mess up, and then next thing you know, you try to unscrew it or whatever, and then you messed up whatever piece you've been doing. You feel me? So, just a wise words from Bug. on this. This is a well put together chair. Not gonna lie. Easy to build. It's not crazy to build, but it's well put together, well thought out. For me, let me see how this will be. For me, long day of work. Cooking up, getting out a bunch of videos. I just want to lay back. I could do that. I could fall asleep on this chair. For real, for real. The times I used to be in the studio, man. There was times I used to be in the studio for so long. And my son, shout out my son Sammy. I used to be in my son Sammy's studio so long. Computer chair. Tired, but I gotta get a mix done before we got till tomorrow. You feel me? I gotta sit there, computer chair. Y'all know a comfortable computer chair. You just sit down, put your head on the table. But I know I gotta just take a little nap for like 30 minutes, an hour, and get back to work and do what I gotta do. Feel me? But now I got more space, thank God. And I got a comfier chair, you feel me? So I'm gonna tighten this, make sure that it's good. And then now I can really fall asleep like this. Get back up, cook up. I hope this chair actually gets tall. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got money. I wish it was a little taller, but we got money. This Valitsky. It's valid. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and head over to that comment section and drop a comment. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Yeah.